Good day all. My name is Hugo from ECAT Online System, and we are a web development company based in Pretoria, South Africa. We mainly specialize in search engine optimization, e-commerce solutions, Google AdWords, and Google Shopping, and we strongly believe that we are the best at it. Today I will be discussing search engine optimization, which is quite an important subject in terms of ranking your website on the first page of Google. There are many aspects into search engine optimization, but today I will speak about the header section of your website, which is of high importance, obviously. If we look at the title tag is one of the most important aspects of the website. And this is technically considered as the title of your website, and Google give great importance to the title tag. Google, when it read a website, always start from the top and the left, exactly like a book. Will start reading from the top and from the left to the right. So the title tag is, I believe, one of the most important part of your website. And this is where you should put your top keywords from left to right. In our case, we put SEO agency, Google AdWords, e-commerce solution, and SEO expert. And at the end, we simply put the company name business. So Google will give obviously more important to SEO agency. After that, Google AdWords, e-commerce solution, and etc. The maximum length of title tag is 60 character or 575 pixel. In our case, we put 80 characters. We always go a bit further than 60 character, and we try to squeeze as many keyword as possible into the title tag. Google will consider differently, obviously, the letter I and letter W in terms of pixel. The W take more space than the I, and this is why the limit is actually 575 pixel. This is the display on the screen. So you cannot try up to 80 characters. In the worst case scenario, it will simply discard. Google will simply discard the last few words at the end. But always make sure that from the left you put your most important keywords and you identify your most important keywords. In our case, SEO agency, Google AdWords, e-commerce solution. So remember that the title tag is one of the most important aspects in terms of search engine optimization for your website. So make sure that you put your most important keyword. Now let's go to the meta description. Meta description is also very important in terms of for Google. When searching for a specific keyword, let's look for ECAT Online in this case, which is our company. The meta description is the text that Google will display in the search engine when you appear into the search engine. So make sure that this text is really powerful, really sell your business, and give a very quick insight of what you're doing. So this way, the better the meta description will be, the better chance you will have people clicking on your link and have access to your website. So this is why the meta description is very important. In this case, we didn't really use the full length, which is a mistake from our side, which I rectify today. But I didn't really use the meta description to its full potential. I could have actually put a few more keywords or wording here, which I have. I've just adjusted it. I put the maximum length for the meta description is fixed. It's 160 character, but again, I do push it a bit more. I put 176 character, and I hope that Google will pick up the rest of the character. So I'm trying to sell obviously my best the servers that want us to appear on the first page of Google. And again, I put some keyword right from the start and our services, our main services that we want to advertise. So ECAT provide SEO consultancy, Google AdWords, and Google Shop expertise to all type of businesses in Pretoria, which is the region that we serve, Johannesburg, and all across South Africa. So obviously we would like to, we have quite a few clients in Pretoria and Johannesburg, but we would like to expand also across South Africa. So this is brief and it does have quite a good impact. So make sure that your meta description is always correct and has got some kind of massive impact, and it give a good brief about your company so people will click on your link and access the website. The last item that I would like to discuss today, these are the keywords. So we call that the meta keyword. So that will give some kind of guideline to Google as to your main keyword. And here you can put as many keywords as you want. Us, we do limit ourselves, especially on the home page, to the most generic keyword, and we try to limit to around 200 keywords. So please make sure that you put all your main keyword in the meta keywords. If you don't put your keyword into the website, Google will never be able to find you. So put the keyword there that you think are the most relevant to your business, and try to put as many as possible without obviously overdoing it. You don't want to obviously put an entire page of keyword that could be considered as keyword stuffing. But do put enough keyword to make it relevant and make sure that the most predominant keywords are there. You could, this is for the home page. If you want to add more keywords, what we recommend is that do optimize in the same way your sub pages and your services. And this way you can focus a bit more into the specific of this services. So whereby here you will focus mostly on search engine optimization keyword. Here in the Google AdWords page, you can see my title tag is only related to Google AdWords. The description as well is only related to Google AdWords, as well as the keyword. So on the sub services and the sub pages, this is where you can expand on certain keyword and improve your marketing of this different service. So this is all for today. Thank you for viewing this video. Please remember to visit our website www.ecatonline.co.za and drop us a message. Our prices are unbeatable and our service is outstanding. Thank you for today.